When you choose a speaker from our Classic collection, you can be confident that quality comes standard. Not only do they look great, they're fun to listen to. The collection consists of 4 models, 2 bookshelves, one 4-inch and one 6.5, a full-size tower, and a center channel speaker. Across the line, there's great versatility whether it's a stereo system or a home theater surround system. I love the retro design. They come in both black and natural wood grain finishes. We designed a specific crossover for every model in the Classic collection, which allows the woofer and the tweeter to play harmoniously together. That allows for crystal clear highs, deeper bass, and an overall more balanced sound. Other speaker brands in this class, they're not doing that. Dayton Audio has been around for 30 years, and we design our speakers to last. The Classic collection is no exception.